a lot of polarity in the queer community is that, and again, to truly understand a phenomena of a discipline within the context of another. So this is from a transpersonal, this is from a disciplinary perspective. Dualism postulates rigid distinction between mind and body. Monism postulates that these rigid distinctions are not part of the same phenomenon or epiphenomenon. But non-duality is defined as not two or one, but undivided. It's a matured state of consciousness. So we could look at it from a transpersonal psychological perspective, one that transcends beyond personal identity. And when I think about zeros and ones, I realize, wait a minute. So zeros and ones, binary. The reason why computer uses zeros and ones is because that sacred geometric shape is a whole different subject. It's the metaphysical and phenomenological perspective dealing with transcendentalism. But what I discovered, zeros and ones, it's not two. Zeros and ones appear to be two, but it's not two.